Hello, Math Explorers! Have you ever wished math could be more interactive, more engaging, and most importantly, more fun? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. And in this lesson, we're going to explore how GeoGebra is not just a math tool, but it's a game changer that can significantly boost your learning outcomes. Let's discover how GeoGebra can transform the way you understand and learn mathematics. First thing first, let's talk about what GeoGebra is. GeoGebra is a free open source software that combines geometry, algebra, calculus, and statistics into one powerful tool. It is an interactive platform where you can not only visualize mathematical concepts but also explore and manipulate them in real time.
Now, let's jump into some hands-on learning with GeoGebra. I'm going to show you how to create a simple triangle. So at first, select a polygon tool and click 3 points on the canvas. Let's label them A, B, and C. Now, let's find the midpoints of each side. Select the midpoint tool and click on the sides on the triangle. And next, let's draw the medians. Using the line tool, connect each vertex to the opposite side's midpoint. And notice how the three medians meet at simple point, the centroid. Here's the fun part. Try dragging the points on the triangle and see how the centroid always stays at the intersection of the medians, no matter how you move the points.
Now, we will explore how to use GeoGebra to understand and visualize basic probability concepts. In the probability calculator, click the drop-down that defaults to normal, or you can choose the distribution you need such as chi-squared, F-distribution, exponential, and many more. Let's use normal distribution for our example. Our mean is 100. And our standard deviation is 15. 115 are the values for standard exam score. And after that, you can set your interval type. Example, we want to know the probability of student scores between 85 and 115. On a test where the scores follow a normal distribution with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15, 85 and 115 is the interval type. You can see that GeoGebra automatically shade the area under the curve and show the probability value, which is approximately 0.6827 or 68.27%. You can also change the values to see how the area of probability changes. This figure will help to visualize the shaded area to interpret probabilities easier. GeoGebra will display a dynamic bell curve with a shaded area based on your input. This makes abstract statistical ideas more concrete and helps students engage actively with the topic. Using GeoGebra, we turn numbers into visuals and learning into discovery.
In this part, we gonna draw a star here at the Cartesian plane using a turtle in the GeoGebra. So first, we will input here b equals to, write the word turtle, then select this, then enter. Now we can see this little turtle, this green thing. Yes, this one. Then input repeat. Okay, the word repeat. Then select this one. Select select a number. This is our range. Then remember the, the sequence. Number, script command, and another script command. Don't forget that. Then for for our first script command, write the word title forward. Yeah, this one. And this turtle referred to our first variable, which is this b. Yeah. Then the distance here, uh, the distance what we want. We gonna put here 5. Then for our second script command, write turtle left. Yes, this one. Turtle left. Yes, this. And we will put this b, our variable, for our turtle. Then instead of distance, we need to input the angle. To be able to make a star, we will write 144 degrees. Yan. Don't forget the degree sign. Then remove this. Yan. Now press display button here. Yeah, we can see the turtle creating the star. It is slow, yes. Because it is a turtle, of course. Tada! An inverted star. Now we can change the color also. The color what we want, this size also, and this yellow, purple, or whatever color you want here.
Here's the best part in GeoGebra. GeoGebra offers a powerful feature called GeoGebra Classroom or GeoGebra Lessons, similar to Google Classroom, where you can assign interactive tasks and monitor students' progress in real time. This means you can see who's working, who's need help, and responds immediately, making learning more personal and effective. GeoGebra is more than just technology. It's a smarter way to learn math.